Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm talking really quietly, and also 'cause my dad's sleeping, but also I wanted to talk about today. I'm in a different location, so I'm on family vacation right now, staying until Monday or Tuesday, so that'll be a lot of fun. I'm not going to show you where or anything, but today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of collage and feel to it. I'm going to be showing you how to make your sketchbook messy like this, and also here's another example of a messy page, and everything. So here's another example of a messy page. I'm gonna have some fun with Mod Podge and everything in today's video. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, turn notification bell on so you won't miss the video. And let's get started with today's video. The sketchbook I am using for today's video. And also you want to get a cheap sketchbook for this project, and everything. We're going to be doing a sketchbook prep session in today's video as well. So grab your Mod Podge, grab glue, or whatever you want to do it with. You could grab paint, you could grab anything you want to make your sketchbook messy and everything. So we're gonna have some fun in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss the video. And I'm sorry if I'm talking quietly, but that's complete. I don't want to wake him. But we're gonna be doing a sketchbook spread in today's video, so I'm really excited about that and everything. It is 7:43, almost 8 o'clock, so I'm filming this video. So if you have any questions or materials I am using, let me know in the comments down below. Put a cloud emoji or an alien emoji in the comments down below. That's all we do in the sketchbook with you guys. I'm really excited about that. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Notification bell on if you want the video. Sorry for my stomach growling, I'm hungry. But yeah, so go ahead and get started with today's video. Feeling inspired today, and today's Thursday, so I'm gonna fill a sketchbook page together with Mod Podge and everything. So I'm gonna have lots of fun collaging. You will also need magazines and everything. So you will need magazines, and since this will go as supplies you'll need for this video, I'm going to title it How to Make Your Sketchbook Messy Collage and Have Fun in Your Sketchbook or something like that. And yeah, so if you have any questions or anything in particular, just let me know in the comments down below. So get started with today's video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is slightly something new on this channel. I tried doing this video before, but I didn't have the right supplies and everything. So we're gonna learn how to make your sketchbook messy like this, collage feel to it, and everything. And we're gonna have some fun together doing art, making your sketchbook messy. I'm going to show you the supplies you'll need. You'll need a couple of drawings to fill the page at first. This is your base layer. So this is your base layer sketchbook. You'll also need like notebook paper or sticky notes or anything that you have on hand. That will work good. You'll also need scissors and everything, so to cut, or you could just rip or something to make it messy looking. You'll need magazines. I have Boston Proper and a Canna. So you'll need magazines to cut and put in your sketchbook, and then you'll also need the number one supply that will allow you to do everything. Is Mod Podge. This is great. I was hesitant in getting this, but when I saw the techniques you could do with it, it's like amazing thing to have on hand, and this will allow you to layer. This will allow you to do anything really. So we're gonna have some fun together. I'm gonna make this page messy as possible for you guys and how I work in my sketchbooks now. So this is what the Mod Podge looks like. So that's the Mod Podge. So we're going to be working on that together and everything. So you can add glitter with Mod Podge. It's like a glue basically, and seal. So you'll need a paintbrush for that. So usually I'll have a big paintbrush depending on the size sketchbook I'm working on, but that's not home. So I'm using this paintbrush here today. You'll also need washi tape if you want to decorate your sketchbook. I have my washi tape here, so we're gonna make a mess together and everything. So we're gonna have a lot of fun in today's sketchbook session. You'll need a pencil for your sketches or any doodles you want to. I don't know if I mentioned, but you also need scissors to cut your magazine out, or you can just rip it. The messier the better. So if you want your sketchbook to be full, the number one tip I want to give you is overlapping your sketches and your cutouts and everything. Overlapping makes it three-dimensional, and overlapping just makes it fuller. So here I just let my pages breathe a little bit by adding some white space, but if you overlap your sketches and everything, it will make it look fuller. Here's an example of an empty page. I will call it an empty page. But I can go back in these tiny spaces and just draw small or draw big, however I want to. But your sketchbook is not your limitation. It's more about playground and having fun with your art and just taking it to places and traveling with it and just having fun with it and just experimenting and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Get loose with me, have some fun and everything. I'm not going to talk through the process for being sped up and everything. So I hope you guys like today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. Sorry for the quiet voice today. My dad's sleepy, so I hope you guys bear with me a little bit. I don't want to wake him up. So if you have any questions or anything in particular, just let me know in the comments down below, and insert either cloud emoji or an alien emoji down below in the comments if you made it this far in the video. You can do that. And by the way, this is your base layer of your sketches. So this is the first layer you'll put down on the page, or you could draw on top of paper you're cutting out, like I had done here. This is Owen, this is Theo's Owen, but yeah, so we're gonna have some fun together, and we're gonna scrapbook what you will, and have some fun, get messy, and make mistakes. That's what the sketchbook's all about. It's not about being perfect, or it's not about being, oh, I have to fill it with colorful sketches. Yeah, I have colorful sketches here because that's what I feel like doing. It's what you feel like doing. It's not like, I don't know. But anyway, that's my rant. So I'm going to go ahead, close off, and speed scrapbook, I guess you can say, this page. So continue watching. just finished this sketchbook spread. I am really pleased with it, how it came out. Again, it's very collagey feel to it and everything. So I'm really tickled how this came out, and I used my cloth strap rack for like anything you could find around the house, around your place you're staying at or whatnot, and you can have fun with it. Again, I had used my Mod Podge, I had used magazines and everything. Hopefully I didn't show my address, but